This video shows how to replace the color imaging kit for the Xerox C410 Color Printer. The imaging kit is accessible from the right side of the printer. Open doors A and B. To remove the right side cover, release the latches and pull the cover off the printer. Press both the levers to unlock the waste toner container and pull it out of the printer. To release the toner cartridge, pull the lever up to release it, then pull the cartridge up and take out of the printer. Remove all the 4 toner cartridges away from the printer. Pull the levers up to unlock the imaging kit frame. Pull the imaging kit frame out slowly until it stops. Press down on the release latch and then hold the handles on both sides. Slide the imaging kit frame out slowly from the printer. The imaging kit includes the 4 imaging units and drums. Remove the new color imaging kit from the box. Press and unlock the latches and then remove the packaging material from the imaging kit. Insert the new imaging kit frame into the printer. Push the levers down to lock the imaging kit frame. Insert the toner cartridges back into the printer. Insert the waste toner container back into the printer until it clicks. Insert and close the right side cover until it clicks. Close doors A and B.